All right, bhai log, we are back with another stream, okay? And today we are going to do something unique. Instead of coding, we are going to do something about LLM, choices of LLMs. There are so many LLMs out there that I am getting confused in between. Like I am spread out basically. I sometimes use GPT, sometimes I use Gemini, sometimes I use Copilot, and then I also had my hands, or sorry, I also tried my hands over Claude some time ago, and there are countless number of the LLMs which I still haven't used yet, such as the Cohere or Cohere type. Whatever the name is, I haven't tried it, although I visited their website and it looks very cool. Like the website looks very cool. I don't know about the LLM itself. Take care. If you don't know about Cohere, let me take you to their website. है ना? Yeah, this is how it looks pretty nice. I actually liked their website design. I don't know how their LLM is or would be, ठीक है, but their website design is very cool. Damn, I like this. Whatever this is, I like this, and I also like their navigation bar. Does it stays the same? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So I'm going to be practicing some digital minimalism over here, and I'm going to limit the choice of the LLM I use, because now almost all of the LLMs, like almost all of the LLMs are providing similar features. Okay. In case of the Gemini, you still do not get the stable diffusion thing, okay? But in case of GPT, you get the stable diffusion, but in the pro version, है ना? And in case of the Copilot, you get both of the things. You get the stable diffusion for free, as well as you get a sort of you get the context awareness for the PDF. Okay, so I'm going to say, for me, I'm not going to spend some money on the LLMs because I don't have money actually, so I would rather like to go with Copilot for most of the times, because it is giving me free diffusion and like context awareness wala thing. Like it is able to read the PDF. I don't know about the pro version. I think the pro version for the GPT and Gemini both are able to do that, like reading the PDF wala stuff. So what I personally think that Copilot is very value for money for me at this moment, although it sometimes sounds stupid, more stupid than the GPT itself, okay? But it's GPT plus for free. Basically, Copilot is GPT plus for free. And the other problems which I face with Copilot is that you have to, you kind, like it's not necessary for you to use Bing all the time, but Copilot is always going to scrape the answers and the sites from Bing only. So uh, you would be, you would definitely miss the cohesion, sorry, or adhesiveness. I don't know like what to describe it, but you will basically have to hop in between of Bing and Google in order to like search for the answers. But if you stick to Bard or formerly, sorry, Gemini, which was formerly Bard, you will have to stick to the ecosystem of Google. So it's difficult to choose in between of GPT, Bard, and Google most of the time. And speaking of Anthropic AI, one thing which I really liked about the Anthropic, like the Claude AI, is that the responses are very quick. Like the response time is very low, even faster than the ChatGPT. I don't know. Again, I don't know about the paid version of ChatGPT, but for the Claude, I would say it is faster, no doubt. And still I don't have any idea about the cohere here, है ना? तो we may try cohere with our burner account. Let's actually go through the website of the cohere first, ठीक है? Knowledge assistant, and then powerful accurate semantic search performance improve. Also, there is a feature in GPT that you can make custom GPTs for yourself, but I am yet to try those features from the GPT. And also, there is one problem with GPT is that I don't know if it is solved or not, but GPT cannot have the real-time data. Okay, it is not aware of the real-time data, but it is aware of the trained data only. Like, I don't know what is the term for that. Like I have read it somewhere, but I'm not able to recall it exactly. Okay, it's like GPT is trained on data, but it is not able to be aware of the internet or live data, है ना? Unlike the unlike the Gemini and the Edge wala, the Copilot. ठीक है, तो I will definitely, honestly, GPT has given me the most useful answers ever. Okay, the most serviceable answers ever. But just for the fact that GPT cannot communicate, like GPT cannot communicate to the internet, or sorry, GPT cannot scrape the internet, to be honest. Not to be honest, but whatever I know, by whatever I know, I will reject GPT here only because I'm not in a position to pay for GPT right now. Okay, and I don't know how its paid version is going to do. So I'm rejecting GPT now, and also I'm going to reject. I'm going to be using GPT indirectly with Copilot if I choose Copilot, and I think I will be rejecting Claude too, because Claude, even if Claude has the speed I need, okay, even if Claude's user interface looks super clean, despite of the response time of Claude, despite of its super clean user interface, it's very limiting. Okay, it's not having the stable diffusion wala thing yet, and also Claude, I need to use VPN in order to use Claude because it's not open for Indian audience yet. So I'm rejecting Claude as well, and we are left with literally two options here, which is Gemini and Copilot. Okay, now the thing with Gemini is that Gemini is improving day by day, no doubt. Gemini is improving day by day, and Gemini's user interface is super clean. Again, it's Google, so why not? So and Gemini does have the stable diffusion wala option, but the thing with Gemini is that it is not open to the unpaid customer. Like the stable diffusion is multimodal wala option is multimodal is not available to the unpaid customers. Again, the only option is left for us is Copilot. Now I have very, like, it's a love and hate relationship with Copilot. I have a love and hate relationship. Okay, the fact that I need to stick to Bing in order to search for everything, or in order to go to websites, ठीक है, go to like search for the website listings. I hate that, ठीक है. I hate being, I don't know why, I hate user interface of being, I hate how less accurate it is than Google, ठीक है. And not the Google's AI, but its search engine itself is not as good as Google. It's not as refined as Google. It's doable, ठीक है. Being is doable. It's definitely better than DuckDuckGo. It's definitely better than um, not in terms of user interface, but in terms of search results relevance, ठीक है. It's better than DuckDuckGo. It's better than the Brave browser's search engine. It's better than Yahoo by far, if it exists. I don't know. Okay, if Yahoo exists now, or if it has not ceased to exist, okay, it's better than a ton of search engines out there. ठीक है, but it's not as good as Google. So I would like to go with Copilot despite of its shortcoming, okay, because just because of the fact that it is free for Windows users. You can simply do this, and Copilot can generate images for you, and Copilot can do usual things such as reading PDFs for you and then solving your errors. It has a relatively okay user interface. I don't mind the user interface of Copilot. Sometimes you get to see glitches like that, and also Copilot sometimes tends to run slow in comparison to other LLMs. Copilot's user interface, I don't like the response time is also actually slow, and the user interface is also not good with Copilot. But Copilot really, what Copilot does, it really checks on the put a check mark on the fundamentals, okay. It does everything okay, but it's not the best out there. It's not the best in doing one thing or doing that thing, I would say. Okay, so I am going for Copilot, and I'm going to be sticking for Copilot for a long time. Okay, till Google opens. See, I'm completely reliant on Google. I would agree that, and like I would not be shy about that, because I have a Gmail account. I have multiple Gmail account. I use Google on my phone. I use Google services everywhere. So I would like Google to open its or actually give some of its premium features to the unpaid users or to the free users. And if it provides us the basic features which we need, like the diffusion wala feature, I will be happy. I don't need anything other than that. Like, I don't want it to be transcribing anything for me or anything else. Okay, I just need the diffusion wala thing, and other than that I don't need anything from Gemini. Okay, it's a great model, and also I just want its responses to be a little mature like ChatGPT is. Okay, mature in the sense the correctness of its response. Okay, it's the correctness of the response is generally less than ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been the most uh, I would say the most factually correct LLM I've ever had, but it's outdated. Its knowledge base is usually outdated. Take care. So we are going to, like, for now, all I'm going to do is that I am going to try and clear all my traces from ChatGPT from now, because I'm going to be closing my accounts, and I don't want my data to be scattered all over the places. Okay, so I'm going to go to Edge, and Upgrade plans, Dali and more. I understand, I totally understand, but bro, I'm not in a position to upgrade plans. Thank you. Mm, is there not any settings? Deleting account is permanent and cannot be undone. Deletion will prevent you from accessing OpenAI services, including ChatGPT API, DALI, and you cannot create a new account using the same email address. Okay, your data will be deleted within 30 days. Expect that we may retain a limited set of the data for longer when required or permitted by law. ठीक है. अच्छा, ऐसा. रुक, अभी दिखाता हूँ. There is no point in deleting so much with hand because I have searched so much in ChatGPT. Anyways, I'm going to be deleting ChatGPT forever, and we are going to, delete all chat. Confirm deletion. Okay. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to delete chats. Higher messages cap GPT-4 and browsing advanced data analysis and more. Create and share GPT with your workspace, admin console, workspace management. Yeah. Oh. Nice. But I'm not going to keep GPT anymore. Sorry. Customize your GPT. नहीं यार, I need to. It hurts. Settings में गया, we get to the data control and we are going to delete all of it. ठीक है, please type your email address. Ishran. Sorry. Permanently delete the account. So okay, we have permanently deleted an account here. ठीक है, even if it's not going to be. We have permanently deleted that. So what we are going to do is now we are I'm going to cap it to 114. Okay. Nice. I'm going to cap it to 114. Nice. And next what we are going to do is we are going to go to the Google, not Google, but we are going to go chat GPT because we have logged to chat GPT using this account as well. So I'm going to clear all of this and settings, customize chat GPT settings. We are going to delete all our chats, confirm deletion. Why am I keeping this account is because I would have to use Dali at some point. Okay, at some point I would have to use Dali, but not directly. And if I need to make or create some projects using OpenAI, I'm going to use this account. Okay. Nice. Gemini. Does it even matters to, like, that was one good thing with GPT is that you can delete all your messages at once. But here we may have some option. Maybe here. No. This list never ends. I don't know how much bar did I use. Where did I open and what did I open? I don't know. Now let it sync with the. Array, I deleted na. I deleted. 36 months of activity. No activity will be deleted now. Confirm. मैंने कर दिया ना भाई. कर तो दिया सारा. ओल्डर देन क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये होगा कस्टम रेंज ऑल टाइम डिलीट कर दूं. हाँ कर देता हूँ. डिलीटिंग ना. डिलीशन कंप्लीट भाई. सही भाई सही. ऐसा करो भाई. लो भाई. हेलो विभूति भूषण साहा. यस माय डियर. हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू. थैंक यू यार. थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी. थैंक यू फॉर नॉट हेल्पिंग मी एक्चुअली. That's a pretty random question. It's just a pretty random question. I'm going to be closing this window. I'm going to be actually close all of it. Probably मेरी कंपनी के लिए मेरे लिए ऐसा प्रोग्राम बनाना पड़ा. Mm, and where did I enter my own emails? I would have to stop the live stream right now. I'm going to be deleting it.